how to make roles appear on the side of your server Discord. So if you want to make roles appear on the side of your server on your Discord, then first you need to open up your Discord. Now go with a server. Once you're under your server, now you need to go with the upper right and then go with server settings. Under server settings, scroll down and you will have an option of roles. So click on roles and here you will have all of the roles. So you just need to simply go with a role that you would like to put on the side of your server. So I'll just simply go with a green bot and then you need to go with edit, which is on the right side. Scroll down and here you will have two options. So you just need simply go and enable the first one, which is display role members separately from online members. So once we enable that, you need to go with save changes. Once you've saved your changes, now if you go back, then you'll be able to have the roles on the right side. So just go and relaunch your Discord and you will make the roles appear on the side of your browser or your server. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.